The Herb Farm, we're creators of 100% natural products which we handcraft here at our beautiful destination in rural Manawatu.
They are unique because we check every single ingredient from its source, and the extra special uniqueness is having our own tinctures from the garden and sun-infused oils, and having a little piece of the Herb Farm in every product.
We create our own products so we know exactly what goes into them. We have full control over the quality of the ingredients and the process that we use to make them. So you can be assured that every single product is 100% natural. All our products are formulated by our founder and herbalist, Lynn Kirkland, and all our formulations are unique to us, and they draw on Lynn's over 30 years of wisdom and knowledge.
There's an answer in the garden, there really is. It's nature's pharmacy, and yeah, what better way?